Hello, I Dr. Pragya Srivastava, Department of Life Science, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the topic of introduction to food resources and its associated problems. The global food ecosystem is vast and complex, encompassing various resources and posing a countless of challenges from production and consumption to distribution and access. The food industry plays a crucial role in human livelihood, but it is also presents numerous associated problems. Global food production and consumption, agriculture production, food consumption patterns and supply chain dynamics. Agriculture production, the global food production landscape spans vast envelope of agriculture fields encompassing diverse cultivation practices and technologies. The scale and efficiency of production have significantly over the year to cater to the world growing population. Food consumption patterns, as countries become more globalized, food consumption patterns have shifted, integrating a wider range of foods and cooking practices. This diversity presents both opportunities and challenges in meeting the dietary needs of population across and social stability. It's a multi-dimensional problem that requires holistic solutions, resilience and innovation. Communities facing food scarcity and hunger are demonstrating remarkable resilience alongside innovative measures to ensure sustainable access to nourishment. Food waste and loss. Pre-consumer waste. The food industry generates significant pre-consumer waste in the form of byproduct, imperfect produces and surplus inventory. These create challenges in minimizing waste to before reaching consumers. Consumers level waste. Post-purchase food waste at the consumer level poses considerable environmental and the ethical concern. Encouraging mindful consumption practice is crucial to reduce this type of waste. Solutions and innovation. Innovative solution acceptance technology and changing consumer behavior emerging to combat food waste and loss, thereby enhancing sustainability across the food ecosystem. Environmental impact of food production, resource depletion, agriculture practice often contribute to soil degradation, deforestation and water scarcity, impacting natural ecosystem and biodiversity. Climate change implications, the emission of greenhouse gases from food production not only influences global climate pattern but also affect the resilience of food system. eco-friendly innovations, advancement in sustainable agriculture, renewable energy and waste management are driving eco-friendly practices to mitigate the environmental impact of food production. Challenges in food distribution and access. Distribution inefficiencies, inadequate transportation infrastructure and logistic challenges contribute to the inefficiencies in distributing food products to diverse geographic locations. Accessibility barriers, socio-economic disparities and geopolitical factors impact the equitable access to affordable and nutritious food for various populations. Innovative solutions, technological advancements and collaborative efforts are fostering innovative approaches to overcome these distribution and accessibility challenges. Solution for sustainable food system, policies, initiatives, government and international organizations are enacting policies to promote sustainable agriculture practices, reduce food waste and address food insecurity. Community engagement, from local community gardens to global food movements, citizen engagements play an essential role in advocating for sustainable food systems. Technological innovations, technology and research breakthrough are driving innovations in accuracy agriculture, alternative protein sources and food preservation techniques. Conclusion. In conclusion, the complexities of food resources and associated problems require a concerted efforts towards sustainable and equitable solution. As we navigate these global challenges, it is vital for individuals and communities to advocate for and actively participate in initiatives that align with the vision of a more tough and nourishing food ecosystem for all. Thank you.